Today on Fatguy Fixerupper, I'm reshooting the intro to a video because, for some strange reason, there was no sound on my previous intro video. So today, what I'm going to be doing is hauling a chair down to the Fatguy Command Center, where I can sit back and relax and watch my 85-inch TV. So stay tuned. Makes me wonder how I even got this in here the first time. All right, so it's not going to go out easy. How did we get this in here the first time? Does this come off? Maybe? Yeah. Well, stink. Um, I wonder. Ooh, it's already hot from the sun. It's only been a couple minutes, if not even a couple minutes. Something in my pocket stabbed me. Oh, my car keys. You know, I think I have a dolly. I should go get the dolly. Oh, come on. Go. I'm trying to tip you back, not roll down the hill. Stupid thing. This idea is not working too well. Oh, that was. All right. Oh, I just hit a solar panel. Hitting something else now. Oh, I'm hitting the cable. All right. Yeah, whatever, it's bound to happen. Should have took the glasses off. All I can see is drops of sweat on my lenses. I stuck this screen here temporarily, but eventually, once I install it properly, it'll help keep the bugs out, so I can keep the basement door open for fresh air every once in a while when it's not 1,000 degrees outside. All right, here we go. Holy crap, Bumblebee. Where'd he go? Please go away. I have no idea why the bumblebees like this spot so much. Whatever. Oh, that cushion cut it off. Oh, okay. Oh, it might actually fit through this door. Maybe not. It's gonna suck if I have to take the door off. Really suck. Oh, it's so close. It's so close. Got some gloves. It's gonna get dirty. Why didn't I put them on at the beginning? Because I wasn't very smart in the first place. Oh boy. There's the straight and narrow path. Dang. Alright, there has to be a way to turn this on its side. I'm gonna have to climb over there. Cutting this thing up like crazy too. Well, oh, that would suck if I had to uninstall the door frame. Now forget that. It will go through. Flies are coming. I can't do nothing. Come on, baby, come on. You have to go in here. Come on. I just need to turn it on its side and then she will go through, but boy.
Yeah, I can't disassemble it. Well, all right, I gotta go upstairs and come back down. All right. Ooh, that hurts. You gotta be kidding me. I literally have to turn this on its side to get through the door, but I can't because everything's too narrow. I might have to literally carry it upstairs, turn it on its side, and then bring it through. Oh my word. Ooh, oh man, my finger. It's not the microphone fell. What just fell? What? What? The missing Roku remote has been found. Well, really? Holy crap, what else is in here? Coaxial connectors? Anything else? You know, it might be easier just to take this sucker off. Can I disassemble it? The thing's held together with staples, it looks like. Springs. The drill's over there. Literally sitting on that table. All right. Maybe. Just maybe. My pants are caught. Sorry, guys. I can't adjust the camera so you can see what's going on. But I'm trying to turn the camera, turn the chair to its side. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt too. All right. It's on its side. It's coming down. Get it down there without breaking it. This is how hot it is. Sucks. Oh no. I think I have this turned the wrong way. This needs to be facing that way. Oh, brother. Oh. Praise God. Oh, I'm tearing the plastic leather up on this thing like you wouldn't believe. Maybe I get stuff to fix it or something later. I guess it doesn't really matter what it looks like as long as I'm happy with it. Bonsai! Here we go. It's in. It's coming in. Oh, I did it. No, I'm not hitting it. Yeah. Careful. Careful. She's in. She's in. No, I'm not going to say that famous joke. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I did it. Pulled it off. I just got to drag it over there, but first I'm going to clean this thing up. Then maybe see in the future if there's a way to fix this pleather. So, thanks for tuning in to Fatguy Fixerupper. See you guys on the next episode. Remember to like and subscribe because it encourages me to keep on doing this. So I'll see you next time.